Hello, welcome back once again. In our today's video, we have an interesting stuff to discuss here. So we're dealing with complex numbers. We have to find the modulus of iota plus the square root of iota, which is also known as the absolute value for iota plus square root of iota. But before we proceed, we need to take note of this important formula for modulus of complex numbers. When we have to find the modulus of A, where A is the real part, plus I times B, where B is the imaginary part, this is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. Very important. But in our today's video, we have some complicated stuff here. Square root of iota. So the question here is, what is the square root of iota? Because if you look at this, iota plus square root of iota, we can't easily say this is the real part and this is the complex part. No. Before we differentiate between the real part and the complex part, we need the principal square root for iota, right? Now, we know the principal square root of iota. I've made the video of this before. This is equal to 1 over the square root of 2 plus iota divided by the square root of 2. Now, inside this absolute bar, we have iota plus the square root of iota, which will be equal to iota plus 1 over the square root of 2 plus iota divided by the square root of 2. Now, all we need to do here is to simplify. So let's group. We have for the real part already, we have 1 over square root of 2, which is the real part. Then plus we have iota plus iota divided by the square root of 2. Now, all we need to do here is to factor out iota. So here we have this is equal to 1 over the square root of 2 plus, if we factor out iota, then we obtain the imaginary part as 1 plus 1 over the square root of 2. Okay, now we have simplified this a little bit, so we can now find the absolute value or the modulus of this complex number. 1 over square root of 2, then plus iota into bracket 1 plus 1 over the square root of 2. So this will now be equal to the square root of the imaginary part squared plus the real part squared. So the real part squared will be 1 over root 2 squared plus the imaginary part squared will be 1 plus 1 over the square root of 2 squared. So for this part here, we shall make use of this identity. A plus B squared will be equal to A squared plus B squared plus 2 times A times B. So here, this will be equal to the square root. Now, 1 squared is 1, divided by root 2 squared will give us 2, plus, now here, 1 squared is 1, plus, 1 over root 2 squared is 1 over 2, then plus 2 times 1 times 1 over root 2 will give us 2 divided by root 2. Now, we need to simplify. So this will be equal to the square root. 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 is 1. Plus, here we have 1, plus, now we need to rationalize by multiplying numerator and denominator by square root of 2. So 2 times square root of 2 will give us 2 root 2, divided by root 2 times root 2 is same as root 2 squared, which is 2. So this will be equal to this, we'll cancel this from here. Square root of 1 plus 1 is 2, plus, and we have square root of 2. Amazing. Wow. So this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share. Bye-bye.